Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. We are going to be doing some deep cleaning today. I have been needing to do this for a very long time, but I have been so busy I've not been able, not had the time or been able to do it. So I'm going to be moving my couch today and cleaning the window and dusting all the dirt and bugs and all that good stuff out from behind the couch. I don't think I've moved my couch since Christmas. Usually when I take down my Christmas, I do a deep clean of the living room then, and I have had full intentions of doing it before now, but just have not been able to do it. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do, make sure that you give it a thumbs up so it'll help me get an algorithm. And if you're new, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me. All right, y'all, let's get to it. Y'all, look at how dirty this is. There's kitty cat toys, there's bugs, there's dirt, spiders, all kinds of stuff. We live in the country, so every time that you open the door, like a wad of June bugs flies in. So, and moths or millers, we call them millers in the country. I don't know what everybody else calls them, but we call them millers. But anyway, they fly in and then, they die, and I guess they go behind my couch. I didn't realize I had a graveyard going on back there, but nasty. Windows for about 4 months, probably 4 or 5 months, and they are so dirty. Oh my goodness. The outside of our house is so dusty and dirty because we used to have an asphalt road in front of our house, and when the winter came and we had the biggest snowstorm we've had since I was a child, it broke the road up because our road is not made for that, and so they replaced it with a gravel road. And so it is so difficult to keep the outside of the windows clean because every time somebody goes barreling up the road, it just throws dirt all over our house. So now I live on a gravel road. It is not pleasant. But anyway, these windows were so stinking dirty, oh my Lord. But look how good they turned out. They turned out so clean. To do something with this coffee table. It needs a makeover so bad. So me and my husband are going back and forth. He wants me to stain the top. I want to paint the whole thing to lighten up the area. But so what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should stain the top of the coffee table and paint the bottom, or if I should paint the whole thing one solid color? Notice that I'm taking decor out of my living room. That is because I'm trying to create a blank slate for fall decor. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get this deep clean done, was so that I could prepare a blank slate and just have like a clean space to work with, and you know, hopefully that'll give me some inspiration to put some fall decor out, because it's still very hot here. So it's very hard to like get in the fall spirit when it's, you know, 95 to 100 degrees outside. But that's what I'm hoping will happen, is that it will be like, okay, I need some decor in here. Plus it just gives me a, you know, nice clean place to start with. decluttered, non-dusty, clean smelling space, and that's what I have going on here, and it just feels so good, and it is just the perfect clean slate to get me ready for that fall decor. I hope that y'all